Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about baby-friendly travel tips for families who are traveling with their babies or bringing their babies along for the first time when they move to a new country. This video is particularly relevant for families who are on work visas like H-1B, L-1, TN, etc. Let's get started. The first tip is regarding choosing a travel stroller. I would suggest that you bring an umbrella stroller which is lightweight and easy to carry around. We opted for the Baby Jogger City Mini GT2, which comes with a bassinet and can be converted into a double stroller as well, which we will be needing when we have 2 kids. This stroller is so light that my husband can carry it around easily. It also comes with a car seat adapter. And did I tell you it's super compact? It can be folded with one hand and stands up when folded, making it easy to transport. And it comes in a nice carrying bag too. Tip no. 2 is regarding choosing a car seat. We chose the Chicco Fit 30. The reason we chose this car seat is because it has a good safety rating. And it comes with a base that clicks into the car, and you just need to put the car seat on top of it. So it makes it really easy to take the baby in and out of the car seat. And this particular car seat can be used from newborn up to 30 pounds. And it also has an option to be used with the stroller, which is really convenient. Tip number 3 is regarding what to pack in your checked baggage. I would suggest that you pack all the essentials in your checked baggage, because it is going to be less hassle for you to take care of. So pack all the clothes that you have for the baby in the checked baggage. For newborns, I would suggest that you pack extra bodysuits, onesies, pajamas and swaddles because they go through a lot of these during the day. And don't forget to pack diapers and wipes in your checked baggage as well. Make sure you have packed all the baby toiletries in your checked baggage like the diaper rash cream, baby shampoo, body wash, lotion, sunscreen, etc. Also, don't forget to pack pacifiers, bottles, sippy cups, baby food, formula, if you are not breastfeeding, and any other accessories like the baby monitor, play yard, etc. In your carry-on baggage, I would suggest that you pack only the essentials like maybe 2 to 3 complete outfits for the baby and a pacifier since it can be a lifesaver during takeoff and landing. Also, don't forget to pack diapers and wipes for the journey. I hope these tips help make your travel a little less stressful. Leave a comment below with your best baby travel tip. Happy travels!